Are you looking to sell digital products on Etsy in 2026? In this video, I will show you the top trading digital products on Etsy and how you can profit from them. To start your digital product business but you don't know how, I've created a free guide that you can go ahead and download. It will walk you step by step on how you can start. I first started creating digital products, I struggled a lot. I wasted a lot of time creating things that nobody wanted. But once I learned how to do its research and follow trends, everything changed. In this video, I'm going to show you products that are growing fast on Etsy in 2026. So welcome back. As I was telling you, I'm going to show you which products are really working well on Etsy right now. You know, every time there is always a product that is working well at that particular moment and at that certain time. Yes. So when you are starting to sell digital products, making your research is important. Yes, and the good thing about digital products, you can have an idea, yes, and you can sell it unlimited times and you don't need any shipping or any inventory. Yes, what I mean by this, it's a business that you can start even with zero money as long as you have an idea that you know people are interested in and they can go ahead and buy from you. So you don't need any inventory, you don't need any shipping. Yes, that's the good part and the fun side of digital products. You will not have any returned goods. So now we are going to jump into the 10 digital products that people are creating on Etsy and people are buying them. Yes. So the first digital product on our list, they are self-care wellness planners. Yes, and this is an evergreen niche because people always want to care about their health, about their mental well-being, and people are always searching this because in the world of nowadays there is a lot of stress, things that always make people not to feel good, and people are researching for this product and they are buying it. And the good thing about it, it's an evergreen niche. Always people want to stay in a good state of mind and they always want to care about themselves. So you can come here on Etsy and see that people are really searching for this product. So far, this product is in 10 cards, as you can see, and there are 100 pages of self-care planner. So you can create a self-care planner, or you can be specific and say maybe it's a mental care planner or it's a self-care planner for people who have skin problems, a self-care planner for people who want to lose weight like moms. So you can jump on all of those ideas and see which one is going to work for you according to your research or according to the speciality that you have or according to the experience that you've been through. Maybe you've been through some mental self-care, then you can go ahead and create that digital product because you have some knowledge about it, or you've been a mom and you've been able to work away your weight and feel good and take care of yourself. That also can work. So it will depend on you. That's a good digital product that you can go ahead and create. Yes, you can go ahead and create, and as long as you niche down, you can even create a self-care journal or for kids. So it will depend on you. And this is now going to take us to our second product that you can create, and these are budget planners or finance trackers or saving challenges or debt trackers and budget planners. They are evergreen. Everybody wants to plan for their finances. Nobody wants to get into debt. So they want to plan ahead to know how much they have earned and how much they are going to spend. So that's an evergreen niche and people are always buying this product. Yes, I would advise you as you are starting your digital product journey, it's good to follow trends, but to a certain point, it's good to always create an evergreen digital product that you know people will always keep on buying it. Yes, and it will never run out. For example, if we come here to Etsy to see, this is a budget planner and a budget tracker. Yes, you can create the ones that are printable that people can go ahead and download and print out themselves, or you can create ones that people they can use in their laptops or in their computers. Yes, so it will depend on you. And those are two ways on how you can diversify this one niche. You can either create the one that can be printed for those people who want to do it on the piece of paper and track their finances. You can use that. You can go ahead and use that. That will work very well for you. Or you can go ahead and create for those people who want to track their finances using their gadgets. Yes, that's our second digital product on the list, and it's an evergreen niche. You can create this and it will be selling for you year round and year in, because every day at the end of the month or at the end of the day, people need to track their finances. Yes, that's a good digital product that you can jump in. And this is taking us to our third digital product. Yes, our third digital products. These are kids' activity books, or you can call them worksheets. You can either create books if you want to target people on Amazon KDP, people who want to buy printed books like print on demand, or you can also create worksheets. So it will depend on you. And parents who are busy always love this, because it keeps their children busy. And nowadays a lot of people are going into homeschooling because it really helps their children. Yes, it really helps their children to be homeschooled to some parents, and even those ones who want their children to spend some time off their screens, they use this printable worksheets. And as you can see, this one is good and it's already in 20 people's cards, and people are loving it and they are liking it. So as you can see, you can create things like this, maybe for counting, yes, like for caroling and so much more, which keeps the kids busy. So that's another niche that you can dive in, and people will be happy to buy it because it's helping them to solve a problem, to keep their children busy at home while some parents are doing other work and something. Also, this is also a good digital product that you can go ahead and create. And this is going to take us to our digital product number 4. Yes, it's taking us to our digital product number 4. And these are Christian journals, prayer planners, faith-based digital products. Yes, it can depend on you which people you want to target. You can create either for Christian, for Muslim people. There are so many people there who have different religions, but all of them still need journals to practice their religious beliefs. Yes, and this is also an evergreen niche because people want to be spiritual, and spirituality is part of their life. So they are willing to buy products that are going to help them. Yes. And as you can see, this is a beautiful prayer journal and Bible study that was created here on Etsy, and you can go ahead and create this as a digital product to start selling on Etsy or any other platform you are using to sell your digital product. So you can create these prayer journals. Maybe you can create for children, you can create for moms, you can create for single ladies, for men. Yes, so it will depend on you which one you are choosing to go with. That is also a good digital product idea that you can go ahead and create. Yes, that's also a good digital product idea that you can go ahead to create. And people are always buying these digital products. Yes, so this is going to take us to our next digital product. It's going to take us to our next digital product. And our next digital product, they are wedding printables. And in these wedding printables, you can create things like invitations, you can create things like planners, you can create things like seating charts, checklists. You can also add in things like menus, cards for reservations, cards for booking. So it will depend on you. Either you want to stick with wedding invitations, that can work, or you can create and bundle them and create wedding invitations, wedding planners, seating charts that will be adding value to your product, and people will be willing to pay more because you've added a lot of products together and you have bundled them. Yes, so as you can see here, this is a wedding checklist, and people are always buying this. People still want to get married, people still want to do weddings. So you can see this is a wedding checklist, and it's looking good and it's looking nice. So you can come in here, create invitation, and all these things are easy to create. You can use Canva and you can use ChatGPT for some ideas, or you can use any other AI that you are using. Yes. So if you have any AI that you know that can help you create good digital products, you can put it in the comment section below. So this is also another digital product that you can create wedding invitations. Yes, it's a good digital product and people are always buying it and it's evergreen. Yes, in this video I was like, let me show you products that are evergreen that you can create and it will keep on generating for you revenue. Yes. So this is taking us to our next digital product. Yes, this is our next TikTok product, and these are Canva business templates. Yes, and in these business templates, you can find like media kits, ebooks, workbooks, planners. So these are Canva business templates, but these are all different ideas under one umbrella. You can choose to create media kits, you can choose to create ebooks, you can choose to create workbooks, you can choose to create planners. Yes, or you can choose to create all of them, or you can pick one from these business templates, and people are buying them since now everybody is online and they are creating their business online. Yes, since everybody's creating their business online, people need this every day. Some people are promoting their businesses on Instagram. Some people are promoting them on TikTok. Maybe you can create viral TikTok videos using AI and you can sell them to people. Maybe it's Instagram posts, and those Instagram posts are going to be working well because people really need these business templates to grow up their business, to scale it up. Anybody is willing to invest in anything that is going to be paying them money. So if you are creating eye-catching Pinterest pins, or if you are creating high-catching if you're creating high catching cover templates, you can choose, maybe it's for, you are creating it maybe for Instagram, you are creating it maybe for Pinterest. That will be good for you and people will be buying it from you. Yes. Then this is going to take us to our next digital product. And our next TikTok product, they are social media content planners. Yes, as me as a content planner, I always plan my content before, because sometimes I want to shoot all my content in one day so that I can have time to do other things. So people always want content planners to plan because they are posting on multiple social media platforms. So if you are not planning out your content, it will be hard for you. So most people are buying these content planners to plan their content to stay ahead. Maybe they can plan for 1 month ahead. They can plan their content for the whole year, and it will help them to balance their life because they don't have to be creating content every day, but they have content already planned out to go there to their viewers. So that's another digital product that you can go ahead and start creating. And this is going to take us to our next digital product. And our next digital product, these are AI prompt guides, and these ones you can create for ChatGPT, for Nano Banana, for Gemini. There are so many nowadays AIs that you can use. Yes, you can use, like for example, this is for Nano Banana, but you can create for Chat GPT. You can create from, there are so many AI softwares out there that you can use nowadays to make money. Yes, remember AI is not a real human being, so it needs the right prompt for it to work for you, and people are willing to pay to get the right prompts. Yes, and this is going to take us to our next TikTok product, and those are our next TikTok product. These are vision boards and kits, and especially you can target women and also setting goals. Yes, women love vision boards. There are some men who also want it, but you can go ahead and target that as your digital product, and it will work for you because people are always researching for this. Yes, people are always searching for this vision board. It helps them to know the strategy of their life and how they can follow it, to know their dream life, where they want to be, things they want to achieve, so that they can put them on a vision and be confessing to it or prophesying to it every day. So that's also a good digital product that you can go ahead and start creating right away, and it will be making you money, because vision boards, people use them every day and they want to expand their vision each year, each week, and another digital product that we can you can create. This is our next digital product and the last one on the list. These are low ticket courses and guides. For example, you can create a course on how to start Etsy, or a course on how to make Etsy SEO or titles and keywords, or a course on how to rank higher on Etsy, or a course showing people how they can use Pinterest to drive traffic. So it can depend on you on which course you want to go ahead and create. Yes. And that will also work well for you. Yes, and our next steps is, now you know the digital products that are working, and you can choose one which can work for you. Yes, so you can go ahead and validate your idea. Yes, because always product research is good. Before you create any product, make your research and see if people are interested in that product. So you can check on it's using bestseller badge, you can check through reviews, you can check through multiple sellers, and you can check the existing demand. And there are also other tools that you can use to do its research, like Everbee, like its Ant, but some of them are paid for. So if you don't have money, you can go with these free strategies that I've given you. But if you have some money to invest, you can go with those research tools. They can really help you. And the last thing that you can do when you have started digital product journey, or you have chosen which product that you are going to go with, is knowing the price. Which price are you going to price your digital product? You wouldn't want to price it so high that nobody will buy it, or you wouldn't want to price it so low that people will be even scared to buy it, because they'll think if the price is so low, maybe this thing doesn't have value. And another thing that can help you to get more sales is making bundles. For example, as I gave you an example, if you create things like wedding invitations, yes, in this wedding invitation you can include wedding invitations, you can include wedding planner, you can include a wedding sitting chart, you can include maybe also menus, and those are different three products that you can sell one, but you have bundled them together. That is going to help you stand out and to price your product higher. Yes, so if you are there and you want to start your digital product business, but you don't know how, I have created a free guide that can help you to start and to scale. It can help you as a beginner. So I'll leave the link in the description below. And if this video has helped you, don't forget to like, to comment, to subscribe, and to share. See you in the next video.